wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well with the grace of Almighty Allah. So welcome to Heather Tech channel, and today I'm going to just show you. So this is our Heather Tech channel, and we have so many videos, and in the playlist we have networking videos, mathematical videos, IoT Raspberry Pi videos, school kids videos, scaling network, and ethical hacking videos. So all videos, it is in English except the ethical hacking, because of the user request. Some of my student requests, they requested me to make the Urdu and Hindi language, in Urdu and in Hindi language videos, so I just make for them. So if you will go and you will find and all the detail about my channel and the videos in the Heather Tech. So as you know, the learning is a continuous process, so we have to learn every day a new technology, so the new things, so you have to learn the new things. So we are keep updating you with the advanced new technology, and which will meet the industrial requirement as well. So please like and subscribe our videos and subscribe our channel as well. And today we are unboxing our kits, and in the upcoming video we are going to use these kit and all these sensors. So first of all, this kit we are going to unbox. You can see here, so I have the breadboard. This is the breadboard, so we will use I will tell you inshallah in upcoming video how to use the breadboard, and this is the one. And other than this, I have this one, the jumper wires. These are the jumper wire, so we will use these jumper wire with the breadboard and the Raspberry Pi. Okay, I will show, inshallah I will explain each and everything with practical. Okay, and this is my SD card reader, and you can use this SD card. We will use the SD card reader how to install the Raspbian iOS in Raspberry Pi. Okay, so other than this, these are some of the wrappers, so extra wrappers. This one again, jumper wires. Okay, and this is the groove kit. If you are buying a groove, okay, if you are buying a groove, so with the groove you will get this user manual. Okay, this is the user manual, and this one no need to. Okay, so this is power adapter, the same power adapter which we are using for the Android mobile phone charger. Okay, so we just for the power, to give the power to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, and this one we can say GPIO pin extension. Okay, extension, so you can use this one. And these are the LEDs, different color LEDs we have, and these is the same jumper wires. Other than this, we have different resistors, and this is the resistor. If you can see, we will use inshallah in the upcoming video these resistors. Okay, so this is, I think this is all in for this kit. So we have this one, and now we are going to unbox the groove kit. Okay, so this is our Raspberry Pi with 4 GB RAM. Okay, the 16 GB SD card already installed here, you can see. So in this SD card we will use the Raspbian iOS. Okay, so this is Raspberry Pi. Now we are going to unbox the Groove starter kit for Raspberry Pi. Groove starter kit. So now in the Groove starter kit we have the Groove Pi. This is our Groove Pi, how we can use with the Raspberry Pi as I explained you before. So these are the GPIO pins. Just you need to you just need to use it from this point. Okay, so how you can use it, just you need to plug these GPIO pins, and just press little bit softly, and it should not get damaged. Okay, so like this way. Okay, so we will use Groove and Raspberry Pi together. And this one is our ultrasonic range sensor. These are the cable for different port we can use for different purpose. I will explain you in the upcoming videos. And this is my air quality sensors. I will make one project. It will just show you the air quality of your surrounding, and other than this is our RGB LCD, so we can get the output on this LCD, and different sensors are there, and this is our relay, and we will use this relay as well, and this one is our temperature and humidity sensors, and this one is the LED we can use with the group. This again another LED, and this one is our sound buzzer. Okay, so and this one is the angular rotary sensor. Okay, so that's all for unboxing. Thank you for watching.